Welcome to our installation guide video. We would like to provide you with a detailed guide on how to install the camera light pole. This video focus on Type 3, camera light poles base with L-bolts and reinforced concrete standing at a height of 14 feet. Step 1. Dig a hole to bury the kit of L-bolts. The hole size is 24 inch by 24 inch and the depth is 36 inch. Step 2. Install the kit of L-bolts. Place the rebar and kit of L-bolts into the hole. Leave the top of the kit of L-bolts 3 to 4 inches above the ground. Run electrical and data wires before pouring concrete. We use 13 to 15 bags of 80 pounds of 4,000 psi concrete. Step 3. Install the top post and the cover of connection. Place the top post onto the L-bolts, adjust the screws to ensure that the post is upright. Then tighten the screws securely and install the cover of connection. And we have completed the Type 3, camera light pole. Then we can install any kind of surveillance and lighting equipment we need. Advantages of our camera light poles base with L-bolts and reinforced concrete. The product is optimized and easy to install. Saves time and money. Mounted many kind of surveillance and lighting equipment. For more information or to order, please contact us via the hotline or website attached below.